Renovate AI app. So how to install it on iPhone. So this is the AI home design app where you can just transform your home effortlessly with Renovate AI. Redesign interiors, exteriors, and landscapes using AI tools for stunning photorealistic results. Try it now. Discover the future of architectural design and home renovation with Renovate AI, your go-to solution for creating stunning interiors and exteriors. Renovate AI empowers you to transform your home into the space you have always envisioned. Forget the hustle of buying individual items or hiring expensive designers. You can explore endless design possibilities for both the interior design and exterior of your house. So then, yeah, you can just tap get and just install it like that. Just a lot of tools here to just take a photo and get some nice ideas for renovation. And then, yeah, here it is. And yeah, then you can just go and start and just upload photos, apply styles, templates. There are color studios, remove objects, there is landscaping, and then yeah, you can then just use it. And then yearly it's $50 per year, weekly is $10 per week. So there you have it. You can just start from photo. There's all of these different tools like paint interior, spot design, house color. All of this you can just use inside of the app and have fun.